Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to check system hardware specifications in Ubuntu. First, open your application dash tray, search for Settings, and click directly on the icon to launch the control panel. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the primary options menu sidebar layout on the left and click directly on System. Inside the expanded system menu parameters, click on the section block row explicitly labeled About. A streamlined dashboard layout will immediately pop up displaying your primary hardware details, including your exact device name, total installed memory capacity, processor model string, and graphics architecture. Now, if you want to dig much deeper into your physical hardware components using the terminal, the process is incredibly powerful. Open a terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously on your keyboard. To view a complete summary of your entire system layout hardware tree, type the command sudo lshw-short and hit Enter. Input your administrative system password when prompted to authorize the component hardware sweep query. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.